Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Hub. In today's lecture, we will discuss special libraries, one of the most important topics in library science. This topic is frequently asked in Ugc Net, IGNOU, BRAOU, KVS, NGS, EMRS, and DS, and other library recruitment examinations. By end of this lecture, you will clearly understand the concept of type and importance of special libraries. So let's begin. Today we will learn the meaning, definition, objective characteristics, collection uses, services, examples, differences between the special libraries and academic libraries. This knowledge will help you in both university examinations and computer examinations. Special libraries established to meet the information needs of a particular organization or profession. Unlike a public or academic libraries, it serves only a specific group of users and focuses on a specialized subject. For example, a medical library provides medical information while a law library serves judges and lawyers. Similarly, industrial or research libraries provide technical information to scientists and engineers. Remember this exam formula: special users plus special subject plus specialized services. This will help you in exam. According to Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, a special library serves a specialized clientele with specialized collection. UNESCO definition also emphasizes that specialized libraries provide focused information. The primary objective of a special library is to support research, provide correct and reliable information, assist professionals in decision making, improve organizational connectivity. By delivering accurate information at the right time, these libraries help save users valuable time. Special libraries have unique characteristics. They maintain specialized collections, serve a limited user community, employ qualified librarians, and provide rapid information services, support research, use advanced technologies, and focus on user-centric information delivery. Their collections include books, journals, research report, patents, standards, conference proceedings, thesis, technical reports, government publications, and online databases. These resources help users stay updated with developments in their field. There are many types of special libraries such as medical, law, industrial, government, agriculture, banking, space, research, engineering, and scientific libraries. Each type focus on the information needs of its specific profession. The users of special libraries include scientists, doctors, engineers, lawyers, judges, researchers, government officials, business executives, industrial employees, and faculty members. These users depend on accurate and correct information for their work. The special libraries perform several important functions, including information collection, organization, reference services, current awareness services, selective dissemination of information, literature searching, bibliographic services, document delivery, research support, and knowledge management. Reference assistant, CAS, SDI, translation services, indexing, abstracting, patent researching, literature searching, technical information searching, document delivery, and research co- consultation. These services are designed to meet the specialized needs of professionals. Special libraries rely on variety of information sources, including primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, electronic databases, institutional repositories, digital libraries, and the reliable internet resources. Combining these resources ensures comprehensive and up-to-date information support. The advantages of special libraries include quick access to current information, expert librarian support, specialized collections, and improved productivity, informed decision making, and encouragement of innovation and research. Despite their benefits, special libraries faces challenges such as high subscription costs, rapid technological changes, copyright issues, information overload, budget limitations, the need for skilled professionals, digital preservation, and licensing restrictions. India has many renowned special libraries, including those of ICAR, DRDO, ISRO, BARC, CSIR, NGRI, IITs, AIIMS, and the Supreme Court. These institutions play a vital role in supporting research and national development. Compared to academic libraries, special libraries focus on a single specialized subject and serve professionals and researchers, while academic libraries support teaching and curriculum. Special libraries primarily support research, innovation, and decision making. One MCQ: which service is most important in a special library? Option A: lending. B: CAS and SDI. C: newspapers. D: storytelling. You got 3 seconds of time. Answer is CAS and SDI. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Library Exam Hub. Press the bell icon, receive notifications of upcoming library science videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep preparing. Thank you.